One bolt. Just one bolt. You never see it. You never think about it. But without it, your car literally falls apart at 80 miles per hour. And this factory makes 1 million of them every single day. Let's find out how. Somewhere in South Korea, in an industrial city you've probably never heard of, a factory never sleeps. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. Thousands of machines running, robots moving, workers watching, and all of it to manufacture something you use every single day without ever noticing it. They're not building a car here, not an engine, not a body frame. They're building what holds all of that together. Stay with me, because what you're about to see in the next few minutes will completely change the way you look at the objects around you. It all starts in the 1980s. South Korea is in the middle of an industrial explosion. The country wants to become a global automotive powerhouse. And to do that, it needs parts. Millions of parts. One engineer, let's call him Mr. Park, sees something nobody else does yet. The big parts? Anyone can make those. But the small parts? The bolts? The screws? The fasteners? That's where everything is decided. That's where nobody wants to go. He starts with 12 workers. A single machine. Today, over 3,000 employees. Automated production lines. As far as the eye can see. And clients with names like Hyundai, Kia, Samsung, and Toyota. But how do you go from a small workshop to a machine capable of producing 1 million bolts in 24 hours? That's where it gets fascinating. The first thing that hits you when you walk in here is the sound. A constant, rhythmic, almost hypnotic noise. The sound of precision at massive scale. Everything starts with raw steel, giant coils of metal wire. Each coil weighs several hundred kilograms. Will be transformed into thousands of perfect bolts. Step 1, wire drawing. The steel wire is pulled through precision dies. Its diameter is reduced to the exact millimeter. No margin for error. 0. Step 2, cold forging. This is where the magic happens. No heat, no melting. The steel is struck, compressed, and shaped in a fraction of a second. One press can deliver 300 strikes per minute. Say that again. 300 strikes per minute. Step 3, thread rolling. Rollers imprint the grooves onto the bolt at a breathtaking speed. That tiny detail, those grooves, is what will keep your bolt from loosening at high speed. Step 4, heat treatment. The bolts pass through furnaces at over 1,400 degrees Fahrenheit. Then they are brutally cooled down. That thermal shock gives them a hardness impossible to achieve any other way. Step 5, quality control. And this is where you realize just how obsessive this industry really is. In this factory, every bolt is a promise. Promise that your car will hold the road, that the brakes will respond, that the engine won't fail. So here, quality is not something they take lightly. High-resolution cameras inspect every single bolt individually. Sensors measure dimensions down to the micrometer. A micrometer is 1,000th of a millimeter. You literally cannot feel that under your fingertips. If a bolt exceeds that tolerance, it gets ejected. Automatically. No second chances. And what's the acceptable defect rate here? Fewer than 10 defective parts per million. Keep in mind that some industries accept 1,000 defects per million. Here, 10 maximum. That is the Korean automotive industry. That is what launched Hyundai and Kia to the top of the global market. And hey, if you find this as mind-blowing as I do, because seriously, who knew a bolt could be this fascinating, drop a like right now. Takes 2 seconds, and it genuinely helps me keep making videos like this. And stick around, because what's coming next is even more insane. Let's try to actually visualize what 1 million bolts per day really means. If you stacked every bolt produced here in a single day into one tower, it would reach over 50 miles into the sky. You would literally be in the stratosphere. If you laid them end to end in a straight line, over 370 miles long, New York to Boston, and back, in one day. But here's what nobody tells you. This factory doesn't work alone. It's part of an invisible ecosystem. Subcontractors, steel suppliers, laboratories, transport companies, thousands of people whose only job is to make sure one bolt is perfect. And you get into your car every morning. You don't think about any of this. That's exactly what makes it so brilliant. There's something this factory taught me, something I wish I had understood much earlier. The invisible things are often the most important ones. The bolt nobody sees is the one everything depends on. The silent work is often the essential work. This factory isn't glamorous. It doesn't make the cover of magazines. No influencer is posting about bolts in their stories. And yet, without it, not a single Korean car moves. Without it, millions of lives would be at risk every day. On the road, excellence doesn't always need to be visible. It just needs to be real. So tell me in the comments, what everyday object do you want me to explore next? Tires? Windshields? Electrical wiring? I read every single comment. For real. And if this video taught you something, even just one thing, share it with someone who loves this kind of content. That's the best way to help me make more of it. Subscribe if you haven't already. The next video goes even deeper behind the scenes of the global industry. See you very soon.